name is Dan Kuchta, and I will be the chemistry teacher this year for your student. So I just want to welcome to chemistry here. I'll let you know about myself. I am in my 10th year working here at St. Charles East. I've taught chemistry every single one of those years. And yeah, I'm looking forward to another good year. Also a big life event for me. My wife's going to have her first child in the next several days here. So you can also expect that this coming year for a long-term sub for chemistry. And that will probably be sometime around like the start of second semester. I'll be out for a month to 6 weeks or so, and you'll have a long-term sub for a while. So the things we're going to learn, the topics we're going to learn in chemistry, we've really already done the atom here the first couple of weeks. We learned about how it was developed and like what that is with protons, neutrons, electrons. The next thing we're going to do is learn about the periodic table and the patterns that are involved in the elements. It doesn't involve any like memorizing of the elements or anything, but involves the patterns that exist in the periodic table. And then also how different elements bond together. Okay, how we get like NaCl, sodium chloride, table salt, how those things are made. And then you get to second semester after the new year, we start with things like states of matter, like solids, liquids, and gases. And we really explore how gases behave, like that, air and other different gases. And that's a good one too, as I think that's the unit where students get to see a lot of things that they maybe realize, like tire pressure, or like less dense, more dense air, and like warmer, cooler weather. They get to kind of see those things. They kind of know them, and we put like a scientific principle to those. And then we end the year with the kind of stuff you think about that's chemistry, chemical reactions, and stoichiometry is the mathematics that goes along with chemical reactions. And then we always end the year with a little bit on acids and bases. The biggest thing that maybe is going to be different here is we use Schoology as my tool for putting out digital information for students, for parents, and not Google Classroom. If you would like to get linked to the Schoology page, you can email me and I can send you an access code and you can sign up for that. Okay. Yeah, the biggest like expectation for using the Schoology for me is that students check this class calendar that we have that's linked on Schoology, a new one every unit. If you look back there, this is from the 20th and the 23rd. You see we have a detailed description of what we're doing those days, some links to the assignments, that some answer keys will be posted sometimes, and also you can see like, okay, hey, we're taking a short quiz that's posted on Schoology. So the directions are on this calendar, right? And especially on making up for absences, like my expectation is that you go look at the calendar and see what you need to do, because that's where the links will be, that's where the directions will be. Okay, and then within Schoology, there's some folders, so we'll have a few folders. Wrapping up the mid-unit 1 at the moment, but you can see the goal of what's posted on Schoology here is mostly quizzes, exit slips, and I guess end of the unit, some end of the unit tests will be there too. But my goal is to try and keep it to a minimum of things that are posted. Just the stuff that like these quizzes and exit slips that we can do, and they can be self-graded. That stuff in there it's very helpful for me and for the students. Okay. Yeah, if you need to contact me, the best way to do that is through my email, daniel.cookta@d303.org. And there's my phone number. It ends in 2479. Right. So the best way is through email. But school phone number is good too. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great school year.